Ethereum just flipped Bitcoin again on another major metric. Now this just keeps happening with Bitcoin and Ethereum locked in this neck-to-neck race for supremacy. Slowly but surely, Ethereum is capturing the hearts, the minds, and yes, even the wallets of cryptocurrency investors. And with the Ethereum merge just around the corner, an event that I believe is as big as, or even bigger than, the Bitcoin halving, I wanted to take the time to discuss with you, well, the possibility of Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you do like that topic, then subscribe to the channel. And if you think that Ethereum can flip Bitcoin one day, well, let us all know that by leaving a thumbs up on this video. Now let's get into this topic. So the most recent metric that Ethereum has flipped Bitcoin on is actually in options. In fact, open interest on Ethereum options has now surpassed Bitcoin by about 33%, currently sitting around $6.6 billion, with Bitcoin at a mere $4.8 billion. Big money is getting pumped for the Ethereum merge, and the recent price action has definitely proven that. But more than that, we have lots of proof that institutional money is taking an interest in Ethereum and starting to flood into the Ethereum space, betting big time on the merge. CoinShares recently cited that $160 million of institutional inflows have happened in the last few weeks. Bloomberg saying that the merge will catalyze Ethereum into a global institutional grade asset. Coinbase is even rolling out the red carpet for Ethereum staking for institutions. All of this is leading Ethereum to continue to outperform Bitcoin in terms of gains. But well, price and big money interest and cool option stats are fun. The real picture of what is going on between Bitcoin and Ethereum shows a very fascinating picture of where the trend is going. Let's look at a few key metrics. For example, on-chain value settled. Now, this shows Ethereum as a clear winner. In fact, Ethereum settles 2 to 3 times as much value on-chain every single day compared to Bitcoin. This is big because Ethereum has a booming economy in DeFi and stablecoins and NFTs, which makes all this possible, unlike Bitcoin, which is basically just Bitcoin. And what about the success of Layer 2 solutions for both Bitcoin and for Ethereum? Well, Bitcoin's Lightning Network has reached a total capacity of 4,469 Bitcoin. Now that is worth about $120 million. Not too shabby if you ask me. But what about Ethereum Layer 2s? Well, there is about $6 billion in total value locked on-chain on Ethereum Layer 2s. That's just casually 50 times as much value as the Bitcoin Lightning Network. No big deal, probably nothing. Now, thanks to a wide variety of applications, Ethereum-based Layer 2s, they've been able to attract a lot of money in. You can do a lot of stuff on Ethereum Layer 2s, lots of DeFi protocols and stuff to use. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's Lightning Network continues to struggle to bring applications that can attract a wide swath of users beyond just sending Bitcoin back and forth. Now, before you and I get into the topic of Ethereum and Bitcoin economics, how staking is going to change the game in this equation between these two coins, and the use cases of these coins, just let me break the flow real quick to tell you about Wealth Mastery. This is my weekly cryptocurrency investor newsletter. So my team and I find money-making opportunities for you, and then we send them to your inbox. Sounds pretty cool, right? We talk about altcoins, NFTs, do technical analysis, DeFi tutorials, airdrops, and much, much more. Sign up now for free using the link down in the description. Now back on to our main topic, and let's discuss the economics of Ethereum and Bitcoin, because this is perhaps the most important part of the discussion. Let's talk about Bitcoin first. 21 million Bitcoin ever. Hard-coded max. Digital scarcity. Every 4 years, the emissions are cut in half. The next Bitcoin halving, 2024. By 2032, less than 1 Bitcoin will be produced per block. The last Bitcoin block rewards will happen in 2140. Now, as rewards fall, miners have to rely more and more on fees alone to support themselves. By the way, miners are largely not hodlers. They mine and then they dump for cash. But these days, demand is so high that it's way outstripping the supply produced by new Bitcoin miners. that demand will continue to rise while the new supply continues to fall over time. We're reaching an inflection point here for Bitcoin. Simple, effective, no BS economic policy. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum's a bit more complex, but potentially also very incredibly robust. Remember when I said that the merge is as big of a deal as the Bitcoin halving? Don't let your head explode. Well, here is why. The merge for Ethereum will do the following. It's going to reduce the emission of new Ethereum by 90%. 90%! That is the so-called triple halving. It will make Ethereum deflationary. Thanks to the EIP 1559 upgrade as well, the total supply of Ethereum will start to decrease year over year, likely by around something like 1% per year. Now this makes Ethereum into what some are calling ultrasound money. And it does away with the constant criticism that Ethereum has no max supply, which is still true. There is still no max supply for Ethereum. There is no supply cap. But after the merge, the supply of Ethereum is going to start deflating year over year. And the third point here is the fundamental shift in Ethereum economics and the impact that's going to have on the price. Not only will there be this massive reduction in sell pressure due to the triple halving and 90% less Ethereum being produced every day and literal deflation for the coin, but also the nature of economics in the ecosystem is changing with the move to proof of stake, because stakers will be more likely to restake their coins to earn more rewards, creating even less sell pressure. Unlike miners, whose basically only incentive is, or options I should say, are to hold or to sell, stakers get a third option. They can hold or sell or restake to earn more, and some will choose to do that. Anyway, the real question everyone wants to know is, can Ethereum ever flip Bitcoin in terms of market cap? Well, currently Bitcoin is twice the market cap of Ethereum. So to be honest, it's not a massive leap to say that it's possible. But I think most importantly, if it did, I don't even think it would really matter. Because fundamentally, Ethereum and Bitcoin are different things and they have different use cases. Bitcoin is a store of value. It's digital gold. Simple, powerful, censorship resistant, beautiful. Ethereum, it's like the Apple of the blockchain world. And buying and holding Ethereum gives you access to a huge range of use cases, from gaming to NFTs to stablecoins to DeFi, DAOs, and all that kind of stuff. So holding Ethereum, it's like holding the premier crypto internet bond. Holding Bitcoin, you're holding digital gold. I hold both. Bitcoin is number one in my portfolio. Ethereum is number two. Both will succeed. It doesn't need to be a competition. They actually complement each other perfectly. It doesn't matter which is number one by market cap. Anyway, your question for today. Would your opinion of Bitcoin change if it was no longer in the number one position? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.